We are here today with Tom E. Tom, welcome back to the show.
Thanks. It's been a while, Mike.
It's been a while, and I know that you've been working on these little methods of making extra money that don't require a lot of work. I think that that's one of the things that we all want to do. We all want to be able to just kind of either sit on the couch or just do things that we normally would do anyways. And if we can make a little bit of extra money in the process, why not? Why not take that free money? I'm going to read off the headline for this, and you can bring us in here. It says, "Need money right now. The emergency income kit gets us $100 daily for downloading apps to our phones." Yep. Do you have a phone? Then it's literally impossible for you to not see results today. Yes, today. So big income claims here, big guarantees. Bring us into this. What's this all about, and why should we be excited?
Yeah, this method is so unusual because it's one of those things where you actually are guaranteed to make money. You don't have to start a business, and that's why I wanted to do this method. We did it last year, and now it's a vastly expanded version of it. So you literally just use your phone to make an income, like really short examples. The stuff that you buy, if you go to Starbucks and buy coffee, if you go to the grocery store, just scan on the receipts and you make money. Enable location on your phone. And as you're going about your day driving, as you pass a Target, a Walmart, or a slew of other stores, you actually get paid for that. Um, then there's things like what was the another brain freeze here? Yeah, listening to music while you listen to music. Enable an app while you listen to music, and you get paid for that. And all of a sudden, now you got a consistent income. And these are things that you activate them once, and it's actually automatic income. And then we include a bunch of other things too. And as a matter of fact, we chose to run this offer privately on Warrior Plus. So we're not even eligible for deal of the day simply because we have to be honest and we have to say you are guaranteed results. But Warrior Plus don't allow that because
Uh,
I don't know why they don't allow it. And I tried to explain to them, well, in this case, it's actually true, but we'll gladly do that because it's a very honest product. And a lot of times when you see things on Warrior Plus or JVZoo and it says, get paid to download this, get paid to
mhm.
upload this, it's always BS. This time, it's actually everything that is on the sales page is what you get paid for, literally.
And as far as the amount of money that you can make doing this, I know that you guys have some pretty big claims where you're saying like make hundreds of dollars, like $100 a day. Let's be a little bit realistic about this and talk to me a little bit about like for someone that's doing this kind of casually in their spare time, not really going all in with it. Maybe they went through and they activated some of the different methods. What can they realistically make? And if for someone that really wants to go in like all in on this, what can they realistically make? And I know that you're honest about this kind of stuff.
Yeah, no, sure. If all you do is activate those apps that I said, and you choose not to do anything else, you're listening to music thing, you have an app enabled. When you're out driving or walking, you have an app enabled. And you're willing to scan in your receipts. You're not going to make a ton of money, but I would say you're going to make anywhere between $5 to $10 a day, which
Okay.
up to $300 a month. Now, if you want to actually do the methods inside where you get paid for, giving your opinion, playing video games, you're looking more at maybe like up to five, six, seven, 800, up to $1,000 a day. Now if you want to go gung ho, we have upsells for that. They're not necessary, but if you really want to, like, if you want to sort of make a living on this, then the funnel is, I would choose at least one upgrade from that if you really want to go nuts with it.
Okay. So, I mean, that's not bad for someone that just kind of wants to do the lazy way of it, making a little bit extra money. I mean, you said like $5, $10 a day, making an extra maybe $300 a month. I'm not going to say no to that, even if it involves doing very, very little work. And then there are people, if they want to go more into this and do more stuff, then they can potentially make more money with it. But I like that you're honest about it. I mean, these are people that are going to go gung ho on it and put in a lot more work with the system. What have you personally done? Like, can you give us some examples of some money that you've made doing this and some amounts that you've made?
Sure. Yeah, like I was saying before the interview, when I was looking to come up with something where people actually make money, and I started playing around with it, and I found out about all these opportunities, and so I started testing them out myself. One was the listening to music one. The other one was the enabling location one, and I stacked them, and you can do that yourself because
Okay.
we include links to several of our portals so that you can actually stack several on top of each other. So when you pass by stores that are eligible, you basically are getting paid from multiple companies. So passing one store isn't going to make you rich, but instead of making, say 10 cents when you pass it, now you're making 30 cents. And so now you're tripling your income. That was one. Let's see, playing video games. I did that, made some money from that, and there was a few more. I can't remember. I haven't done it for a while now, but you know, it's a great thing to have in the back of your pocket, because even a guy like me, like, I do really well for myself, but what if, God forbid, something were to happen that I completely lost my business? This is the only thing that I can think of where I or anyone without connections or experience or knowledge or anything could literally jump in and start making money from day one. As a matter of fact, the main portal that you're going to log into and do all your business, not business, but all your things with, within, simply by setting it up, you get I think it's $10.40 credit. So it's
Okay.
basically $10 free just for signing up to them. And then you start earning from there on.
Do you have to be in the United States to be able to do this?
No, and this is why the 2.0 is such an upgrade, because with the first one, a lot of the apps, we got a lot of complaints were US only, and so this time we
Mhm.
chose an international portal, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are.
When it comes to doing it all, like, do you just need to have like a smartphone, like just like a regular iPhone or an Android phone?
That's it. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you can do it. I don't know any other platforms, but yeah, that I think 99.9% of the people listening will have one of those.
How do they get paid? Do they get paid from the specific platforms? Is there one place that pays, or is like each different system that pays them?
Yeah, that's the cool thing, and that's another reason why with 2.0 we chose one portal, because they get paid from the portal. The portal works with a slew of companies, and they all get paid from that one company. The only exception is listening to music, driving by stores, and there's one more. They don't have those, and so I've included those separately. So for doing those things, you get paid, by those individual companies.
Why would a company pay someone for driving by a store?
It's research. I haven't looked into, I did all this research a year ago when I was putting it together, but
Mhm.
it's basically they really value data, right? And it could be things like the amount of people who drive by Walmart in a day
Mhm.
without actually going in there and shopping. And I'm sure you could Google this, but and I did my research, like I said a year ago. I can't remember now, but for instance, playing video games, they want to see. I used to be a video game tester myself,
Hmm.
and I got paid to basically just sit there and play. I used to work for Activision in Los Angeles, and it's a similar thing where they want to see if it breaks, if there's any issues, because you have, after you play, there's a questionnaire, so it helps their R&D.
Okay, so if people decide to pick this up, exactly what are they getting on the front end, on the offer they get on the sales page? And talk to me a little bit again about what those upsells are going to be.
Yeah, so on the front end, they get access to our main portal, which features 8,000, literally 8,000 different ways to make money from your phone. Not 8,000 different things, but from 8,000 different opportunities,
Okay.
right? Um, which pretty much runs the gamut of anything that you want to do that you get paid. All those things that I mentioned, playing video games, all that stuff. Surveys, mystery shopping, all kinds of fun things. And then, the other separate companies on our in our members area that I said, listening to music, getting paid to scan your receipts, getting paid to drive by stores, walk by stores, things like that. So that's the front end. And then you get full video training. I walk you through the registration process, so you can like pause your way through. So it's very, very newbie friendly. So the upsells, the first upsell is those are all the outside companies outside of this portal that I have personally done
Mm-hmm.
and proven to work. I did that a year ago, and I retested them. They're all proven to work, and they're more immediate. And you are way more likely to end up at around $100 a day. Like if you're a goal-getter kind of thing, that would be a good one to get. So that gets you into all these opportunities way quicker, because there's a bit of setup and things like that to do with the front end that you don't have to do when you get OTO1. OTO2, those are all the premium opportunities that took me over a year, not over a year, yeah, a little over a year to compile. And those are all the things that you get paid really, really good money. Like there's one company that pays up to $3,500 per study, and each study is 3 hours. Now, this is not something you're going to be doing every day. So don't think, oh, I'm going to make $3,500 a day. This is something that
Sure.
pops up a few times a year, just to be realistic about it. There's other opportunities that guarantee you $35 an hour. You can actually have a career with OTO number two. We offer several opportunities where people actually get hired for a job with zero experience, one starts at 35, the other one starts at 45 an hour. And then there's also one opportunity where they have salaries anywhere from $60,000 to $105,000 a year, like bona fide, with no experience required. Now, not everyone's going to be able to get that,
Mm-hmm.
because they don't just hand them out to everyone, but it's a bona fide opportunity. There's one in there where you get paid $1 a minute to tell your life story, and it's not a one-time thing. There's actually a lot of companies that are looking for this. I don't know. I didn't do the research on why. I just know that it works, and it doesn't matter
Weird.
if you have the most boring life in the world. You get paid $1 an hour for an hour. To tell your life story, and there's a ton of companies that are interested in that. So a lot of ways to make a lot more money. And then upgrade number three is auto income. And I know a lot of upgrades that say automatic income. It's not really an automatic income, and you just got to do the whole rigmarole. This is actually automatic income. You do a one-time setup, and you make money on autopilot. Now, you're not going to get rich, but from the testing that I've done, if you do the scaling thing, because we show you how to scale that one,
Okay.
you can make somewhere around $500 a month on that. And keep in mind, it's 100% passive. Set it up once, and then you're done. So that's probably one of my favorite upsells. And then from
I
there
would
on,
I would take $500 a month if it's just you set it up once. It's you just like have it run on your computer or something or on your phone or how does that work?
yeah, it runs on your home internet access network.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. I want to take a look at that one. Okay. So OTO number four, you've got resale rights.
Yeah, OTO4 is resale rights. You get 100%. We do all the customer service and all that stuff. And OTO5 is it's called free buyer traffic for life, which basically we hook you into our buyers. It's not one of those pixel upsells, we actually
I
include
remember
you.
those where they would let you like put your pixel, your retargeting pixel or something on their sales page or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know. I always thought that was kind of a worthless one because no one really got big results. But this one, we actually include you on every launch, every future launch. We list you as one of the bonuses, and
Okay.
users of this one really love it because they actually get bona fide clicks from our buyers. And then OTO6, that is a medium ticket upgrade, not cheap, but it's basically It's a way to make money where we really you get to work with us one on one, and more than anything, it's a mindset thing. You get full mindset training because the biggest reason people fail is not that there's too many shitty methods, just too many shitty mindsets. And I help you dial in your mindset. You get access to my group. You get a live coaching call every month, and so it's really basically a method to tweak your mind into the mind of an entrepreneur so you can actually start getting results from all that internet marketing that you're failing at.
Tom, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything we missed, anything you want to mention before we wrap this up? I know this launches on Monday, April 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Anything else you wanted to mention here?
Um, Only that, if you buy it, don't think that you're gonna get rich from it. Don't think you're gonna get wealthy from it. But if you've never made money online, I would so get this because I remember, and I'm sure you remember, Mike, like the first time you made actual money online. That feeling is so inspiring and it really pushes you to go further because it proves to you, wow, this stuff works. If you want that, if you want to prove to yourself that you can make money online, like I said, you can't fail with this method because you set it up, you do the thing, and you get paid. So there you go.
Again, thank you so much for coming on and best of luck with your launch.
Thanks. Thanks for having me.